Assalamualikum OyaRahmatullahe OyaBarakatuhu. Innal hamdanillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Amma ba'd. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Muhammad Kamrul Hussain, Department of Business Administration, Metropolitan University, Sylhet. Welcome to my virtual classroom, MKA Classroom. Now let's start today's video tutorial. Today we will try to discuss net present value. Net present value actually a sophisticated capital budgeting techniques frequently used in firm valuation. Net present value. It can be founded by subtracting a project's initial investment from the present value of its cash inflows, discounted at a rate equal to the firm's cost of capital. Then we can find net present value. So you have to calculate at first present value, then subtract it with its cost, then you can get net present value. The formula for net present value equal to present value of cash inflows or expected cash inflows, present value of expected cash inflows, expected cash flows from the investment. Then subtract the initial investment or cost of investment or cost of investment. Then you can get the net present value. So obviously there has the several decision rules. If NPV is greater than 0, accept the project. So if NPV is greater than 0, then accept the project, otherwise it is rejected. But sometimes you have a decision NPV equal to 0. What will happen? You can also accept this project if you do not have any kind of investment alternative. Then you can invest NPV equal to 0. That is also the accepted decisions. But generally financial manager try to avoid such type of decisions, NPV equal to 0, because it cannot enhance the firm value, just waste of time for the firm. Firm has not any kind of benefit or any kind of profit by investing NPV equal to 0. That's why financial manager will always try to avoid such type of decisions. Financial manager always try to take such type of decision which is NPV is greater than 0, net present value greater than 0. That is our accepted decisions. Otherwise it should be rejected. Then here has a question, so why we have to take NPV as our decision tool. So it is a very simple. NPV will always consider all the cash flows of the project, or NPV cares or take uses all the cash flows generated by the project, and NPV discounts the cash flows properly. It is discounted by its cost of capital. It discounted by its cost of capital. And NPV is if NPV is greater than 0, then it enhances the market value of the firm. So that's why we use NPV as our capital budgeting techniques. For the judgment of our project, we use NPV tools. So that is for the very, very vital tools for considering our projects. Now we can see an example. Here has the two project A and project B. Here is the cash in follows, and these are the cash out follows. Initial investment, actually cash out follows, and these are the cash in follows, project A and project B. So we know that project A is annuity project and project B is mixed stream project. Here is the cost of capital 10%, and now we have to judge which one is better, project A or project B. So at first we have to calculate the present value of project A, and then we can subtract its initial investment of that present value. So here has the systems we use in here, tabular format. Project A, calculations of present value, PV equal to cash flow into PVIFA IN. So there A is the annuity project, that's why we use the present value of annuity formula. If you do not know how we calculate this value, you can see the videos from my channel. Here we have available videos how to calculate present value of annuity or present value. How can we use tabular method, or how can we use calculator to calculate using the formula. We have purely discussed in there. So we are not discussing the systems in here. We only show the results. So cash flows, we have the 14,000 cash flows, PVIFA. This is the table, 10% and 5% 5 year. So the 14,000 into 3.7908. So result should be 53,071.20. So 53,071.02. that is our total present value of project A. So it is easy for us to calculate the NPV now. NPV equal to total present value minus our initial investment or cash outflows. So here we see 53,071.2 minus 42,000. So our net present value should be 11,071. 11,071.2. 11,071.2 is our required NPV. So NPV of project A equal to 11,071.2. That is our net present value of project A. Now we have to calculate total present value of project B. After that, we will calculate net present value of project B. Now we will see for the project B. Project B is the mixed stream project or uneven cash flows. That's why we will use present value interest factor table at 10% for the year 5. 10% is our cost of capital. So from the table we have these several values: 0.9091, 0.8264, 0.7513, 0.6830, 0.6209. Now it is multiply with this cash flows, then we can get these values: 25,455, 9,917, 7,513, 600, 6,833, 30, 6,209. So these are the individual cash flows present value. Now total present value equal to 25,455 plus 9,917 plus 7,513 plus 6,830 plus 6,209 equal to 55,924 is our total present value. 55,924 is our total present value. Now our NPV equal to total present value minus initial investment. So total present value 55,924 minus initial investment 45,000. So the result would be 10,924. So obviously NPV is greater than 0, so you can accept this project. So NPV of project B equal to 10,924. So if these two projects are independent project, then you can accept the both project because it enhance the firm value. But if these two are mutually exclusive project, then you have to take better one. We can see in here project A and project B. Project B has 10,924 and project B has 11,071. 11,071.2. So these are our two NPVs. So if we use the ranking approach, there is the rank 1 and B is the rank 2. If we use the ranking approach for the capital budgeting, then we can see project A has the rank 1 and project B has the rank 2. So if these two are mutually exclusive project, then we can easily take project A for our decisions. If these two are independent project, then we can take both of them as our decisions criteria. So walls are in, we know that if NPV is greater than 0, accept the project. So in these situations we can accept both A and B project. But mutual exclusive, if this has the mutual exclusive, then we will take project A. Or if these two are independent project, we will take both project for our making decisions. Thanks for watching. This all about today. Stay home, stay safe, try to maintain a safe social distance, try to wash your hands frequently in a day. Subhanaka Allahumma wa bihamdika ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaika. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuhu.